Hey, the Unboxed here. In this video I'll show you how to enable YouTube Picture-in-Picture PiP on iPhone, updated for 2025. I loved using Picture-in-Picture PiP on my iPhone XS and 13 Pro Max, but on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, videos kept going into the dynamic island instead of PiP. Super frustrating. If you're dealing with the same issue or just want to set up your YouTube PiP for the first time, here's exactly what you need to do. So the first step is to make sure your iPhone is up to date. So open Settings, go to General, then Software Update, and do your update. So you should make sure your iPhone is running at least iOS 15.0. You probably have 18, but make sure you have at least 15.0. And the second step is enable Picture-in-Picture in Settings. So open Settings, go to General, and then go to Picture-in-Picture and make sure this is enabled. And now the third step is to enable Picture-in-Picture in the YouTube app. So open the YouTube app, then if you are in a video, pull it down, go to your profile right here, and then go to Settings and go to Playback, and then make sure Picture-in-Picture is enabled. And now if we go back and if we play the video and if we do that, it should go in Picture-in-Picture. And from here you can make it bigger if you want, smaller. You just need to like you do the zoom, and then you can move it anywhere. And then you can actually use it for something else. So some important things to know is that in the United States, Picture-in-Picture works for free. So if you are from the United States, you don't need to have a premium account. But if you are in any other country, you will need a premium account to use Picture-in-Picture. Now you should have YouTube Picture-in-Picture working smoothly on your iPhone. If you had the same dynamic island issue as me, this should fix it. Let me know if it worked for you.